Hey gang, so today we're going to take a quick spin through the local store and see what is or is not in stock. Unfortunately, I left my glasses, so everything looks blurry to me, so I may be saying the wrong thing, so my apologies for that. I'll be right back and we'll take a quick walk through the food aisle. Hey guys, this is a roaming prepper and I am in a local store, and as you can see, it looks like it did during the coronavirus and as it looks during a lot of other things. So let's take a minute here and look at what's gone. So this was eggs, no surprise there, and cold cuts. So the cold cuts are gone, as are all the meats. Let's see what else. Yeah, this is pretty much beef. There's some symbolic bacon here. Some symbolic ground beef. Yeah, it's pretty much wiped out in the meat aisles. The bread up ahead doesn't look very good either. Some hamburger rolls. So this I did not expect. Frozen foods got raided. Here's what's ironic, right? They took all the Hungry Man's. There's some left here. But then the healthy choice. So guys, remember, look for products that are not commonly used, especially like gluten-free or diet products, because those bad boys might come in handy. Look, gluten-free. I don't know, if I'm hungry, I'll eat that damn gluten-free thing. I probably should be eating that anyway, but this dude sure knows. I have no idea what the hell that was. Chips. Interesting. Candies. Oh, they got bread. A little bit. Soups are gone. But the gluten-free is full. See, this is what I was talking about, guys. I know it doesn't taste as good, but unless you have a major allergy to it, look at that. It's like gluten-free, gluten-free, gluten-free. Everything's gone. Seriously. And then we get into, so they took these soups. These look like they got restocked. That's neat. And I'm doing this so everyone can see what's disappearing off the shelves, because this looks identical to what happened during COVID. The only difference is all the canned goods were gone during COVID. Let's make one more turn. They're stocked on canned goods, veggies. But the pork and beans got raided. And there's pastas. So I guess it's a good... I can tell you right now the milk's all gone too. Alright, so this isn't looking too bad today. I don't know what the hell was down there. Okay. There's mac and cheese, always a good go-to. Now the sodas were wiped out too, which I find kind of funny. Alright. So, milk, eggs, meats, chips are gone. Soups are gone. But, you know, stuff like this, which would serve in a pinch, it's still here, it's fine. So, don't know what to tell you there, guys. Okay, so here we are on the potty paper, and it's all gone. Oh, here's some. A little bit. They still raided that far side here, so the more expensive toilet paper is still here. I just find it kind of funny, guys. It's like, you knew the storm was coming. Why'd you wait till the very end? And cleaning supplies never really recovered from the Rona. They kind of show up. There's some wipes down there. By the way, you take some ammonia and dilute it in water, you make a hell of a good disinfectant. Same with bleach. So, and do not mix bleach and ammonia ever. It creates a toxic gas. It'll literally knock you unconscious in your kitchen. They'll find you on the floor. I know that by experience because I worked on a janitorial crew, and somebody emptied a whole bucket of ammonia into a sink. I thought it was water and poured bleach in there, and that was bad. Yeah, he didn't tell us what he had done. Hey gang, okay, so that concludes my little trip out to Walmart. Guys, pay attention to the news, okay? I'm looking at social media in my area. I'm hearing the same from my kids, and they live in another city. People not having food. The second night of the freeze, okay, so this has been almost a week. We've been in this weird deep freeze here in Texas, and we all know Texas doesn't invest in that cold weather gear because they don't have a lot of cold weather. The second night of the freezing, so it's Wednesday today, would be last Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, somewhere around there. 48 hours into the freeze, some people lost power, you can't help that. But I have no milk. I have no food. I have 2 kids or 3 kids. How can you not have milk and you have 3 kids? I had 3 kids, and I had a pile of stuff in my fridge because I had to, so I wouldn't be at Walmart every night, or H-E-B or Kroger or US or whatever you go to. Folks, don't be those people. Remember, shit hit the fan, or a disaster, an emergency is different things to different folks. Some of us could survive a category 4 or 5 hurricane like Harvey or Ike and have all the supplies we need. Okay, we've done it as a family. Some people, they lose power for 2 days, and it's now a shit hit the fan for that family. So pay attention to the news, plan for this. Again, you live in Oklahoma, you get hit by a tornado, those come out of nowhere, right? You know there's a storm, it might have tornado, maybe not, you don't know where it's gonna come down. Tornado shows up and they move fast. There's really not a lot of time to react. A winter storm, a hurricane, flooding, some of this stuff people are predicting 3, 4, 5 days out, sometimes a week out. You need to make preparations. It doesn't have to break the bank. Get the extra loaves of bread. Get the extra water jugs. Get the $3 case of water at Sam's or Costco or Walmart. Don't be the folks who are right now posting on the internet a weekend trying to find milk because their kids have no milk. And in other cities, they're looking out of their apartment windows, and out of 100 units, 3 units seem to have any kind of light, a candle, a flashlight, anything. The other people were literally either sitting in the dark in the cold or had gone downstairs and were running their vehicles in the parking lot at 2 in the morning to keep warm because they didn't have a sleeping bag. They didn't have a candle or a flashlight to go around their own house. Okay, that blows my mind. These are cheap, easy fixes. Just think about it. And not just following my videos, follow anybody's videos. Pay attention to what's going on. I say that at the end. Be aware, be ready. You can't prepare for everything, but there's certain common things you can prepare for. Other than that, this is a roaming prepper. Godspeed, be safe. Just an extra tidbit out there because it makes me nuts when I see this stuff. Take care.